I'm so excited to share with you a beautiful little 1-bed, 1-bath unit at Endless Summer, and it's just right here. I can see it. Come on, let's check it out. How great is this space in this 1-bed condo right here at the water? Beautifully decorated 1-bed condo, wonderful design and style, and makes being on the sand affordable. For more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com, so you don't miss out on any of this beauty. See you later.